Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But before I go into that, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see all the products of the week and all our other videos that we've got coming up. Right, so this week's product of the week are the Young's Harvest Lager Kits. You get 1.8 kilograms of liquid malt extract with this, and you need to add a kilo of sugar. And if you buy 2 or more of these kits using the code POTW, you're going to get 10% off. So 2 or more, POTW, and you'll get 10% off. These are a really easy drinking, nice, crisp, refreshing lager. That's perfect for summer. It will brew up in about 7 to 10 days. Pop it in a bottle. And then leave it to secondary ferment in the bottle for about another 1 to 2 weeks. It will be nice and clear by about 3 weeks. Pop one in the fridge, pop it open, pour it out, and you're going to have a lush, crisp, clean, easy drinking lager in about 3 to 4 weeks. So nice, easy to do product of the week for this week. Young's Harvest Lager. Using the code POTW, you get 10% off if you buy 2 or more. If you've got any questions or if you need any help with brewing it or anything like that, as usual, down in the comments below, just ask me any questions and I'll happily answer them for you. But as for now, this week's product of the week, Young's Harvest Lager, 10% off when you buy 2 or more with the code POTW. Cheers!